I'm Kathleen Sedgley and I manage the University of Bristol's Institute for Synthetic and Engineering Biology. My role is to coordinate the research, innovation and training portfolio across the institution and with our key external partners. In addition, I'm responsible for managing some of the high-value or strategic research awards within that portfolio, including BrisSynBio, our UKRI-funded synthetic biology research centre, and BrisEngBio, our UKRI National Engineering Biology Programme Transition Award. BrisSynBio was one of 6 synthetic biology research centres that were set up in 2014 and 15 as part of the Synthetic Biology for Growth programme. At Bristol, this funded a suite of underpinning equipment and infrastructure, and initially a set of 9 projects that we'd grouped around 3 research themes. One of the things that was brilliant about BrisSynBio was that we were able to hold back about 1/5 of the initial research funds for second wave projects. And this was really interesting because this enabled us to not only respond to things that were changing really rapidly in the external landscape, but also to invest really flexibly in things that were coming through the Bristol community as emerging areas of excellence or potential impact. This was followed by BrisEngBio, which was established to accelerate the translation of our discovery synthetic biology into real-world applications, with targets in therapeutics, materials, and underpinning tools and technologies. Collectively, these awards have been enormously successful. Currently, this includes over 650 publications, a really healthy patent portfolio, and a dozen companies that were either founded on IP that was directly generated in BrisSynBio or BrisEngBio, or companies that benefited from our broader innovation programme, training and associated partnerships. We've also trained over 70 postdoctoral research assistants and 35 PhD students through these investments. And this training includes innovation and commercialisation training, responsible innovation and public engagement. And all of these have now become an embedded part of the culture in synthetic and engineering biology at Bristol. Our early career researchers have gone up to take research leading positions all over the world, including about 1/3 in industry, including in senior positions in synthetic and engineering biology startups. We've pulled together our training experience to support the new Engineering Biology Centre for Doctoral Training that we've recently launched across Bristol and Oxford. This will support over 65 PhD students across 5 student cohorts, and our vision is to train the academic and industrial leaders of tomorrow. We're working with a diverse group of industrial partners to make sure not only that our training programme is commercially relevant, but that we're offering our students plenty of opportunities for mentoring, placements, and even industrially co-funded projects. And as is the culture across both Bristol and Oxford, commercialisation, responsible innovation, and public engagement are woven throughout our training programme. Going right back to the beginning, my synthetic biology journey actually started back in 2007, when I very first started out in my research management career. One of the first grants I supported in this role was for a network in synthetic biology. This was successful and it enabled us to set up the Synthetic Components Network. This provided funding for 3 years for us to pull together a group of academics across the UK and for them to really dive into what they felt the potential and opportunities were in synthetic biology, and what our unique contribution from the network and more broadly from across the UK might look like. This really cemented the foundations for what then became BrisSynBio and kick-started Bristol's synthetic and engineering biology story. My role in all of this has been really varied. On the surface, research managers are responsible for the day-to-day delivery of their research investments. But in reality, this involves just about everything, from setting research agendas, managing strategic partnerships, working with government bodies and policymakers, right through to making badges for scientific conferences. It's all about pulling things together and spotting opportunities and creating the space for people and ideas to flourish and doing whatever it takes to make that happen. UK synthetic and engineering biology is world class. Our discovery research base, our students, our entrepreneurs, our industrial adopters. It's also really unique in that the whole community is so well networked. And this means that the UK can really pack a punch when it comes to tackling those really big questions everyone is hoping that synthetic and engineering biology are going to solve.